We're going to look at the song Jingle Bells and play that together. And you're going to notice that the song starts out on E. So our E finger is finger number 3. So we play 3 E's here with a rest, 3 E's there. And then on this section, you're going to play E, G. G is your pinky finger number 5, right? And then C, D, E. So you're going to go E, G, C, D, E. That's extra if you want to practice that or you're ready for the challenge of it. If you're not quite ready for that, that's okay. You can play the E, 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 E. Take a rest there. And then we're going to go and play a C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Then we play D, D, 2, 3, 4, D. Then we go back and we play E, 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 E. And then again, you can rest on this part if you're not quite ready, or play it E, G, C, D, E. And then we use our thumb, C, C, and then D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. So these are whole notes and we hold them 4 beats. All right, so let's join in now on the piano. And we're going to use the background track for this. So go ahead and get into C position, which is 2 black keys, and C, D, E, F, G. If you were wondering, G is this key. Ready? And we start with our E.